Hi, I'm Sarah, and excuse the bedlam, I've just been doing some baking. My dad just dropped around and dropped off a whole thing of blackboy peaches because they have a blackboy peach tree which is going nuts at the moment. I'll keep some of the really nice ones just to pop in kids' lunch boxes. But blackboy peaches, they tend to turn really quickly. And so unless you're about to jam them, my go-to option is freezing them. And that is great because you can always look at jamming them later if you want to, if you haven't got time to. It's a quick option. You can take them out, you can use them in baking. My kids have been known to just eat them straight frozen. It helps if you have got a lot of space in your freezer because you need to be able to fit an oven tray in there. I've got a chest freezer out in the shed, so that's not an issue for me. Get a peach, cut it through the middle there, and just pop it face down on the baking tray. Get the stone out, face down. Easy peasy. Just put them close together but not quite touching. I'm probably gonna fill up at least another one of these, maybe two. But then I'm going to put this in the freezer. Your baking tray will not remain permanently in the freezer. I'm just gonna leave it in there overnight, and in the morning, I'll show you what to do. Okay, I'm back. Just got my trays of peaches out of the freezer. Now, to get these off, they're rock hard, but just give the tray a bit of a jiggle, then boom, they'll pop off real easy. So there you go, and from here, just put them in a bag or whatever. You'll find that because they've already been frozen individually, they won't stick together very much when you put them in a bag. So you can, or in a box, or whatever you use to freeze them in, you should quite easily be able to just put them in there and take them out as needed. So you don't need to freeze them in individual portions. That's the beauty of this. You can just put them all together in a bag, in a box, whatever you use to freeze them with, and you're golden.